Howdy.
Organic gardening, safe containers. Welcome to my channel. Today I'll be discussing safe containers for organic gardening. So let's dive in. One problem many organic gardeners face is what type of container to use when they start planting. Some containers may be unsafe for growing plants due to the materials being used or how they were manufactured. Plastic containers. Recycled plastic containers are lightweight and durable, which means they can contribute to a healthier environment. They come with an array of colours that can match any kitchen too. Recycle numbers on recyclable materials helps you determine whether there's been a high risk for them leaching harmful toxic substances like BPA, which has been linked to cancer, as opposed to low-risk items such as PET bottles. Ceramic pots. One of the most popular types of containers are ceramic-style pots. They are made from clay and fired at high temperatures to make them durable. They come in a variety of colours, shapes, as well as sizes, so you can find one that suits your needs. Wooden boxes or crates. Untreated natural wood, such as cedar or teak, is a safe and appealing option for an organic gardening container. You can either buy containers made from this type of material or make your own. However, the key to making sure that you're choosing organically safe materials is in adding preservatives before sealing them up with paint. Stone. Stone containers are an attractive and safe option for organic gardening. However, stone containers are more fragile, so they may not be as durable outdoors as wood or plastic pots. Concrete is a long-lasting material that can also make good container choices because it's sturdy. So that just about wraps things up for the video today. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe and leave any comments below, and I'll see you later.